long time ago, there lived this old man in a village. His name was Conjunction. Now, Conjunction was a magician and he was very famous. He was given a nickname. His nickname was Glue. Now, you might ask me, why was he given such a funny nickname? Well, Conjunction had magical powers. He could do amazing things. So you'll ask, what amazing things? He had powers to join. Join? But join what? He could join two different people and make a completely different person. He could join two smaller boxes and make a bigger box. He could also join broken parts of a ruler and make it whole. Now one day, this young boy comes up to Conjunction and tells him, I know you can join things and I know you can join people, but can you join these two sentences of mine in such a way that their meanings do not change? What were his two sentences? Mother made me a delicious milkshake. Mother made me a chocolate cake. Now Conjunction thought, and what did he do? He accepted the challenge. He took the two sentences, Mother made me a delicious milkshake, Mother made me a chocolate cake, and saw that there was something common. He did his magic. Voila! The two sentences were joined and a magic word appeared. What was the magic word? This "and" was the magic word which joined both the sentences. In English language, this magic word is known as a conjunction. So this magic word is called a conjunction, and it has been named after the magician whose nickname was Glue. So conjunction means joining together. A conjunction is made up of two words, con and junction. Con means together. Junction means to join. So conjunction means joining together. So in English language, what is a conjunction? A conjunction is a joining word that is used for joining together sentences, words, and groups of words. Let us see some examples of conjunctions now. Let us read these two sentences. Muskan will go to the fair tomorrow. Vrinda will go to the fair tomorrow. What is happening here? Muskan will go to the fair. Vrinda will go to the fair. Both of them are going to do the same work. So do we really need to write two sentences? No, we can join and write one sentence. So what will be that sentence? Muskan and Vrinda will go to the fair tomorrow. Here we'll see what have we done. Just like the magician did, we have taken the common parts out from both the sentences. We have written it once. Then we have joined Muskan Vrinda with. And to get our new sentence, Muskan and Vrinda will go to the fair tomorrow. Would you like to take an ice cream? Would you like to take a cold drink? What is happening here? We are giving an option to the young girl here as to what she would like to have. Would she like to have an ice cream? Would she like to have a cold drink? She can choose to take an ice cream. She can choose to take a cold drink. So there's a choice here. How will we join both these sentences when they are expressing a choice? Let us see. We will write, would you like to take an ice cream or a cold drink? So what is our conjunction here? Or is the conjunction that we have used to join both the choices. What were the choices? Ice cream, cold drink were the choices. Now could we have joined it with and? Could we have said, would you like to take an ice cream and a cold drink? We could not, because she cannot choose to have both. She can choose only one, an ice cream or a cold drink. Here also, when we have joined the sentences, we have taken the common part out because we don't need to write it twice. What was the common part? Would you like to take? We have taken the two common parts and written it only once. Would you like to take? This is how we have joined the two sentences which express a choice. Now let us read these two sentences. Sheila is poor, she is happy. Sheila is poor. So the sentences are showing us something which are opposite in nature, opposite ideas. Being poor, being happy are what ideas? They are opposite ideas. So how do we join both the sentences when they give us opposite ideas? Let us see how. We will write, Sheila is poor but happy. So, but is the conjunction that we have used here to join the opposite ideas.
Now you will open page number 64 in the grammar booklet and do first exercise. What is given in this exercise? Two options are given in the bracket. You have to choose one और आपको blank में fill करना है. First sentence, let's wait dash the rain stop. तो इसमें हमें बताना है कि हम तब तक वेट करते हैं जब तक बारिश रुकती है. So until will come here. Beta, whenever we are filling the conjunction, we have to understand the sentence. Second sentence is, Shelly was tired. Dash, she dozed off in the car. Now इसमें reason बताया गया है कि why she dozed off in the car? Because she was tired. So what will come here? Shelly was tired. अब इसमें two options नहीं है हमारे पास. We have only or will not come. So what will come here? So. Shelly was tired, so she dozed off in the car. Third sentence is, we want to see the safari park dash the zoo. अब इसमें two wishes बताई गई हैं उसको. Safari park भी he want to see and he want to see the zoo also. So whenever two things are given, we use and. I worked late dash I was not feeling well. अब इसने लेट तक काम किया, हालांकि वो क्या था, उसकी तबीयत ठीक नहीं थी. सो और आने के तो कोई चांसेस नहीं है इसमें. और अगर हमारे पास टू ऑप्शंस होते देन वी कैन फिल और. सो व्हाट विल कम हियर? ऑल्दो ही वाज नॉट फीलिंग वेल, ही वर्कड लेट. फिफ्थ सेंटेंस, इज एंथनी योर रियल ब्रदर डैश योर कजन ब्रदर. अब इस सेंटेंस को ध्यान से देखिए बेटा, इसमें टू ऑप्शंस गिवन हैं, आपका रियल ब्रदर है या कजन. सो व्हाट विल कम हियर? व्हेनेवर टू ऑप्शंस आर गिवन, बट नहीं यूज करते हैं, वी यूज और. माई ग्रैंड फादर इज 80 डैश ही जॉग्स एवरी डे. अब उसके ग्रैंड फादर 80 ईयर्स के हैं, फिर भी वो जॉग करते हैं. सो यट विल कम हेयर, सो विल नॉट कम. क्योंकि 80 के हैं इसलिए जॉग करते हैं, दैट इज नॉट राइट. यट ही जॉग्स एवरी डे. 7th sentence is dash you are attentive in the class, you cannot score good marks. So what will come here? Unless you are attentive in the class, you cannot score good marks. 8th sentence, you eat junk food all the time dash you are putting on weight. So what will come here? इसमें opposite नहीं है, जंक फूड खा रहे हैं इसलिए तो वेट गेन करे ना, therefore will come. 9th sentence is P who worked hard dash could not qualify for the test. So what will come here? All those could not qualify for the test. अब इसमें ये अपोजिट नहीं कि वर्क हार्ड किया था इसीलिए उसको टेस्ट क्लियर नहीं हुआ. नो, हालांकि उसने अच्छा वर्क किया बट शी कुड नॉट क्वालिफाई द टेस्ट. 10th sentence is he went to work early dash he had some important work. अब वो वर्क के लिए जल्दी किस लिए गया था? Because he had some important work, so he had, so will come here. He went to work early, sorry, not so, as he had some important work. इसमें रीजन गिवन है कि इसको कोई important काम था मीटिंग में, so he has to go early. On same page, page number 64, there is one more exercise. इसमें आपको कंजक्शन ऑलरेडी फिल है बट दैट इज रॉन्ग, तो आपको करेक्ट कंजक्शन फिल करनी है. लाइक द स्टार हैव देयर ओन लाइट बट द प्लैनेट डोंट हैव. सेकेंड, हु वॉन द टेनिस मैच? अली. अब इसमें क्या आएगा? एंड नहीं आएगा बेटा, इसमें ऑप्शंस हैं अली और मिहिर. Jonathan is happy dash he has topped in the class. What will come? Because will come but is wrong here. You will do well dash but you worked hard. उसने work hard किया इसलिए अच्छा किया. No, this is wrong. You will do well because you work hard. She is ill because she did not come for the class. इसमें बिकॉज कैसे आ सकता है बेटा? बिकॉज में तो शी इज इल बिकॉज शी उसने वो क्लास में नहीं इसलिए इल है. नो, शी इज इल सो शी डिड नॉट कम टू द क्लास. सो बेटा you will complete all these sentences and submit till 6 p.m.